Hey everybody, welcome back to Going Ballistic. Justin and I are back out on the range and we got a cool video, I think, for you guys today. All right, so I was kind of listening to you guys. I know I don't listen very well, but I was kind of listening to you when we've made that other ball bearing armor and D's nuts armor. Somebody said I should have welded all the ball bearings together. Well, I wasn't going to sit there and weld 4,000 quarter-inch ball bearings together. I'm just too lazy. So I did the grade 8 nuts video. And I should have put all thread through all of those to keep them together. So, well, it got me thinking. And so I got some tire chains. And I cut all the center chains out that go around the tire because they seem to be heavier duty than the chains that hold it together. So I cut all those off and I put 2 layers in here. Since they are linked together, you know, it's kind of listening to you guys. And then I did put, because somebody said you should put a strapping around. So we did. We just have duct tape on it because you guys remember how crappy I weld. So I put duct tape around it to help hold my welds. But we did put some strapping on the back. This polyethylene, I believe it's called, that goes on the back of like ceramic body armor and stuff. It's completely enclosed in epoxy as well. So that, my friends, is what we got for you guys today. And the rounds we're going to use, I'm not going to waste our time with pistol rounds because it's not going to make it through it. It's just not. So what we got a couple 308 rounds and a 54R PZ. So here's the rounds. We got the my favorite, the exploding sniper round, 54R PZ. Then we got the 308 EP round. This is enhanced performance round. This has the harder steel tip on it. And just for some more flashy flash, because we love fireballs on this channel, we got a Starburst 308 round. And if none of those penetrate this bad boy, we have a Russian 50 BMG API round that we're going to put through this thing one way or another. So that's what we got for you guys today. Enough talking, let's get shooting.
All right, first round up is the 54R PZ into our tire chain budget body armor out of my Chinese Mosin. For all your purists out there, Chinese Mosins weren't worth anything anyway, but the stock was already destroyed. So I think we covered that in the previous video. Not too far away, but far enough. I think it should be clear of shrapnel. We'll find out though. That was a pretty cool fireball, huh? Let's see if it went through.
That was cool, man. That was an awesome fireball. So you can, I knew this was gonna come loose. These are just epoxied on the surface, but this is right where he hit, and there's a small steel core in that round. It did fracture the chains, hit right there. Let's check out the back. It looks like my strapping and of course duct tape held up well. Yeah. It hit hard, that's for sure, but it did not go through. All right, that is awesome. Okay, so next we're gonna set up the 308. Let's get going.
All right, next up is the EP round. So this one has that steel core. Let's see if it can wiggle its way through all that chain. I doubt it. I think it's just gonna shatter, basically.
Go for it.
That didn't do much at all. I wonder if it went through. Clear.
Well, it didn't look like it did very much. Hit right here. Let's see the back. Huh! It freaking went through, I'll be darned.
Did it go through or push? Bulge the back.
You know what? I think it just bulged the back. You're right, because there's no hole here. It hit pretty hard though. Must have went right through my links. All right, that's pretty cool. Okay, so now we're gonna get on to the flashy round. Here we go.
All right, next round up is the 308 Starburst. It's really nice that all this, the greenery is coming in, so we don't have to worry about the grass fires as much. That's been a problem in our past. You ready? Yep. I saw a pretty good flash. Let's see what the slow-mo is like. Clear.
All right, so it hit on the strapping right here, but it didn't go through, but it left one heck of an indention into the sandbag, ripped it. So, well, let's see. So there's the back, and then we'll look at the front. All right, I'm impressed with my welding. Well, smaller impact, but one heck of a flash. It did still cut the chain links, but that was a cool flash on the high speed. Looked like a Hollywood explosion. Okay, so nothing's made it through. We're tired of not making it through. Here comes the Russian API round. Let's do it.
All right, now it's time to bring out the sledgehammer. No more messing around. Because I don't care about you, your body armor, or your back plate. We put up a level 3 plate on the back side. I'm hoping to hear that ping as it goes through everything. All right, we're about to send it through all of it. Here we go. Ah, yes. I see a lot of sand spilling out. Clear.
Well, that one was definitely farther off than he was aiming way up here, and we zeroed the rifle in, so that round was on its own, but it still hit all the chain. I could see a hole down. Oh, that's crazy. I know this went through. Yeah, that went through. There's the back of our awesome chain armor.
It's like burnt metal.
Yeah, it does. Oh, there's a hole in the bottom of the table. Oh, here it is. Check it out. Must have hit here because there's a bunch of little toothpicks everywhere, some shrapnel from the table, hit here, and stopped right there. There's part of it. I'm not going to pick it up because I'll burn myself like Edwin always does. So we'll pick it up later. Cool. That was freaking cool. Well, we were hoping we'd put this level 3 body armor, like Justin said, behind there, but for some reason the round hit really, really low. Still it hit, looked cool on the high speed. Anyways, that's what we got for you guys. Hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you to our patrons. Again, if you guys want to help us out even more, which we appreciate, just you guys watching and commenting. Thank you for that. But we do have a patron page. You can check that out in the link down below too. So thank you all for watching, and we'll be back.